Blood back in the building. We going top water to flat. It's hot, the algae's blooming. We gotta go what we can get. And right now, top water's bust. Stay tuned for another 5 episodes. Baby, let's get in some action. Yeah! As a local fisherman, one of the most frequent questions I get asked is, how do I catch more fish? I don't have a boat. All the public spots are fished out and we can't catch nothing but blowfish. What do I need to do to catch more fish? And the number one thing I tell everybody is to go wading. So in today's video, I'm gonna go over some key steps in raising your success. So the first step, you gotta go wading. Can't be scared to get in the water. If you're afraid of stingrays and stepping on something, you can go to Walmart, get you a $50 pair of waders, what I have on right now. That'll help you have some sense of security when you're wading. If you're scared in life, you're never gonna experience nothing. And I promise, if you go wading, you're gonna experience the funnest fishing you've ever had. Snooky. Nice little snook. Little guy. Step 2, either go on Google Maps, or if you know of any local parks or any local fishing areas that you can park your vehicle legally and walk to the water and get in the water, that's gonna be your next step. This is what I'm using. This is a bomber top water. They sell them at Walmart. As you can hear, it's stupid loud. They sell them at Walmart for $2.50, believe it or not. The loudest top water is the cheapest one. All you have to do is change out these hooks. Bunch of bait right in front of me. Big boy. That's a big boy. Red too. Baby, big red on top, boy. Yes, sir. Let's go. Hold on. Slow down, G. Slow down. I got you. Slow down. Step 3 is top water. Get you a top water. Start practicing top water. What I'm doing is what's called walking the dog right now. I'm getting the top water in a rhythm, moving him back and forth so that he looks like a minnow swimming on top of the water. Another thing to remember when you're wading, using any bait, soft plastic, top water, always throw in front of where you're about to walk. Because if you don't, 9 times out of 10, you're gonna walk right up on a big fish and spook them.
Fatality.
Yeah. Another great tip when you're wading, be sure to always watch your surroundings. Keep your head on a swivel to practice your accuracy with this lure, man. Much as you can go fishing, get out, practice, throw at some targets, do whatever you gotta do to increase your accuracy, because it's also gonna play a big part in whether or not you get a hookup. Keep your head about you and make accurate casts. This is gonna greatly, greatly increase your hookup ratio.